Today's topic is circulatory system. There are two types of circulatory system, open and closed. Open circulatory system means no blood vessels develop. Example, cockroaches. Closed circulatory system, well development of the blood vessels takes place there. Example, higher organisms or the human beings. Now we will take up the human heart. Human heart developed from the mesodermic origin. It is found in a thoracic cavity in left side. Four types of chambers are present there, two auricle and two ventricles. These are the four types of chambers: right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, and left ventricle. Clear? Left atrium and the right atrium, between this there is a wall which is known as intra or interauricular septum. Clear? After that, right ventricle and the left ventricle, there is another wall which is known as intraventricular septum. After that, there is another wall between the right atrium and the right ventricle. This is known as atrioventricular septum. Clear? Then, between the right atrium and the right ventricle, there is a wall which is known as tricuspid wall. It have got three types of cuspids. That's why it is known as tricuspid wall. Between the left atrium and the left ventricle, there is another wall which is known as bicuspid wall or the mitral wall. It have got two cuspids. Now, right ventricle have got the another wall which is known as seminal wall, and left ventricle have got the also a wall which is known as seminal wall again. Clear? Now, pulmonary arteries play a very important role to take deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle and move toward the lungs. And pulmonary veins play a very important role to collect the pure blood from the lungs and move toward the left atrium. So in this way, from the right atrium, deoxygenated blood move toward the right ventricle with the help of tricuspid wall, and for the oxygen it move from the pulmonary arteries. After that, oxygenated blood with the help of pulmonary veins entered into the left atrium, and after the left atrium it moved towards the left ventricle. Then the aorta, it moved to different parts of the body. Now, two types of specific types of SA node and AV nodes are also present there. SA node is known as sino-auricular node and AV node is known as arterioventricular nodes. SA nodes, another name is known as pacemaker. AV node is also known as pace setter.